Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just gone over to VEHCAIN once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big the CoinsKid crew. So I'm really pleased that you're enjoying the VEHCAIN videos. Thanks for that. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for liking the video, and thanks for your support. Okay, if you're not already involved in the Discord, definitely get involved. I posted so many setups on VEHCAIN in the Discord. You know, for example, we've got this falling wedge, really tight, compressed, broke out. See you later. We've met all expectations right now, and there was a lovely little trade in a recent video for VEHCAIN, wasn't there? Beautiful little move for VEHCAIN, and right now it's done it. You know, it's beautiful. This is, like I said to you, zooming in on the daily. I think if we start to come up here, a wave 3, so we have to respect the power of a potential wave 3. Okay, so what I'm looking at, that this is a wave 3 within a wave 5 basically. So it's really complicated, but what we needed to see from this bottom here is 5 waves up. And right now, the fact that what we've done by taking out that local high, I think we took it out this morning, taking out that local high is a nice little statement, because from this bottom here, a possible Wyckoff spring and the end of an ABC zigzag correction just there, we've had a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5, and we've got a potential bullish impulse right there. 5 waves. If you take a look, we've not put in 5 waves on the whole way down here. We've never put 5 waves in until this point right now. Okay, so and equally what we've done here, which is technically quite nice of VEHCAIN, we do have 5 waves on the weekly, equally on the daily, and equally what we've done, we've took out this level of resistance on the third point of contact. Now this typically where we do see these levels of resistance broken. We've traded so many of these on micro time frames. I think we traded one on Bitcoin, didn't we, last year when everyone's super bearish on Bitcoin. I said to you, that's a really bullish statement right there, and it's been fruitful. So just like the you know, the targets for Bitcoin were met, basically this target has been met for Bitcoin, not quite the all-time high just yet, but you know, this is my expected target, because you're breaking out this resistance pattern, which is technically just a channel basically, and you're breaking out third point of contact. So this is adding confidence right now that if we continue this bullish move here, then we should see VEHCAIN at least come to that target there, which is around about 0.1712. So from here right now, okay, VEHCAIN, if it does start to go vertical, which is absolutely possible, it's around about a 257% move. Okay, and like I said to you, providing wave 3 is not the shortest, wave 5 can always be the longest, and we do see that with VEHCAIN. For example, I've measured a wave in there, haven't I? You know, that corrected wave right there. To this point here was a final 5th wave, and it was a very large wave. So wave 5 has the power right now to just do something like it did there and go vertical beyond all expectations. So I don't want to get too ahead of myself just yet, but you know, the technical target right now for me is that until we start to fall back into this previous resistance and lose it basically. So right now, if there are any significant pullbacks, we want to see VEHCAIN hold this structural low here and not fall back into this level of resistance once more, because then this could obviously be some kind of bull trap. But I think, you know, the probability that we're bullish here for VEHCAIN is increasing because of the 5 waves, and this is something we have to respect. You know, looking at the data right there, we have 5 waves, so technically any dips are for buying right now, not necessarily for crying. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on it as best we can, but this break of resistance is technically a nice big tick to the target of this minimal target being met, which is point of contact, and then the potential to break the all-time high and to put another impulsive move. So where do I think VEHCAIN is going to go to if we do start to take out the all-time high just there? I'll show you exactly where I expect VEHCAIN to get to basically in this bull market. So I'm looking at a minimal target around about 0.63. You know, got to rein it in. I don't want to be too exuberant right here. 0.6355021, which is a massive trade from here, isn't it? You know, from the depths of despair, the bottom down here, and the breakout of this resistance from here right now. If this does continue, we could see a massive move around about 1,215%. A lot of people will feel like that's not possible, but I remember when we broke bullish here from the correction way back in November, and we start to go vertical with Bitcoin. You know, from this point here, look at that. It was a massive move of 2,926%. So VEHCAIN is more than capable of doing these type of moves against a herd mentality. Okay, and you clearly see once the momentum starts, it really does start to go. So you know, I wish everyone the most luck, but we've got a lot of work to do. Obviously, we've tackled the 382, we've busted a move for it. You know, if we start to break out these fibs, most importantly, I think if we start to see the 786 taken out, which is at 14 cents, you know, really increasing probability again of taking out the 1 fib, and that would be my minimal target for you in this bull run, the 1.272, which is at 0.635, and if it obviously goes beyond that, we'll target the upper fib levels right there for VEHCAIN. Okay, so I wish everyone the most luck. Let's zoom in on the daily time frame, because that trade's played out like an absolute boss, hasn't it? So look at VEHCAIN on the daily time frames, absolutely bolted and took that high out. You know, we're looking at this opportunity of a day, like I said to you, potential 1, flat 2, and then we're looking at a big move, and this should be a 3 with subsets of wave inside a larger wave basically, and that's the power to take out that high, and this is always what we see. Okay, so this has been a big move for myself and the CoinsKid crew. So again, you know, when's it going to turn around? Where does it start to roll over? So what you need to see, in my opinion right now, if this is a, you know, another impulsive move, we need to see 5 waves before you even think about taking profit off the table. level on this particular move. Okay, so again, just exercise a level of caution, but we need to see 5 waves. We've not got them yet. Clearly we've got some kind of 1, 2, and right now you're still in the 3. So kick back, relax, let it do what it's going to do, and at some point you'll come in for some kind of correction and then go again. Once you see the 5 waves, okay, of this bullish impulse, that increases the probability of, you know, all right, we need to take some profit off the table, look for a swing up, whatever, short up, and then, you know, apply stop loss in the other direction basically for the short opportunity. So that's really simple technical analysis right now. So just kick back, relax. Like I said to you, respect the pump. This is a wave 3 obviously because it's took out the resistance point, so we've got a 1, 2. Right now we're still in the 3. You know, whenever it starts to cool down, look for the corrective wave and then a final 5th wave, and then boom, you've got your confirmation that you've put in an important move right there, because you've seen 5 waves and increased the probability of taking profit at the right place, and equally, you know, opening a short with a high probability of winning that short with a stop loss on the pivot high basically. So I'll keep you updated on VEHCAIN as best I can, but if I don't make any videos, then I will definitely post a setup and a short setup and a profit taking setup in the Discord right there. But like I said, look at that, beautiful. Enjoy the pump. Okay, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to another update on VEHCAIN. Bye bye.